Hello everyone, so today is not for Igbo dance tutorial, today is for our Ewaa dance challenge. Right? So basically the first step, you just need to move your legs tap, tap, right? Okay, so that depends on if you know how to dance clearly. So you move it tap, 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 right? Like this, tap, 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 okay? And then you move it with your hands. So one of your hands is going to be stationary and the other one have to move. Is that you keep it stationary as well, you move it this way and you synchronize with the legs as you're moving, right? So you move like this, tap, 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 right? That's the point. So step two, you just have to hop up, right? You're not going to jump. You just have to hop, lift your heels up, right? That's just for step two. For step three, you're just going to move your legs as if you're crossing it over, right? One, two, right? Then you bend down. And step three, right? Like this. One, as if you're making a C. Two, bend. Right, so step four, when you bend down, okay, so you're going to move your two legs backwards. You're going to move backwards 4 times, right? Like this. One, two, three, four. Okay? Right. Step five, when you're moving your legs backwards, right? One, two, three, four. All right? You're going to be dangling your waist. Okay? You're going to be moving it. Just rock your waist, rock your waist, rock your waist. You're going to do that. So just like this. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. You can see, right? So that's the four. Right? Right, for step five. Right? So as you're moving back, okay, and you're rocking your waist, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to move your hands over across your chest, on your shoulders, and bring them back to your chest. Then open your hands to see your begging God for forgiveness. Right, so that's it. Just like this. Right, so you're going to move it like this. So step six, you just have to hop. Once again, you lift your heels up, right? You're not going to jump up. That's it. So step seven, immediately after hopping, you do this level once again like this. Da, 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 just 3 times. Okay? Like da, da, da. So for step eight, you just have to move like this. One, two, one, two, one, two. Right? Just have to move one, two, three. And as you're moving, you're going to move your hands towards where your legs are moving. Right? Like my right leg, you see where my hands are going. One, right? Two, three. So just three movements you're going to do with your legs. One, two, three. Right? That is it. That's step eight. So for step nine, after moving your legs, that, 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 kick your ball to the left. Right? So you just have to kick your ball like opposite direction. Right? Like that. Okay? One, two, three. That. But make sure that when you're moving your legs like this, you try and bounce. It makes it smoother. Right? And it's sweet that way. It's just that, that, that. Right? That's all. So I hope this will be helpful.